Unit 20 Short Vowel I IP Word Family. Hello boys and girls, I'm teacher Donnie. Welcome to my classroom. Are you ready to learn? I P IP I P IP. Let's learn some new vocabulary words together. Ip lip ip lip ip tip ip tip ip sip ip sip ip rip ip rip. Practice one more time. Lip lip tip tip sip sip rip rip. Let's play a hidden picture game. Are you ready? Put your hand up and say the word when you have the answer. Tip. Let's try one more. Remember to put your hand up. Sip. Here's the last one. Let's see those hands up. Rip. It's time for a quiz game. Can you say the word? Look at the picture, tap the right answer, and say the word. Rip. Rip. Again, tap the answer and say the word. Tip. Tip. Last one. Tap the answer and say the word. Lip. Lip. That's all for this lesson, boys and girls. I really enjoyed having you with me. See you next time. Goodbye.